Hey guys, what are you doing?
We're trying to build a boat.
And how's it coming?
Not so good.
Yeah.
Hi, welcome to This Old Boat. I'm your host, Steve Nielsen. Have you ever wondered how to build a cardboard boat?
Yeah!
Well, today, we are going to show you, and everybody else at home, how you can build your own cardboard craft. First step, you have to start off with a good plan. That question mark isn't going to work. The hardest thing about building a cardboard boat is gathering your materials. The easiest thing to do is probably just to go outside and look around you, see what's available. There's a piece right there.
If you don't have the materials just lying around, one option is dumpster diving. Now, it's important to get the store owner's permission before you dive in their dumpster. If you don't, the police might stop you.
Remember, not all kinds of materials are allowed in a cardboard boat. For example, nuclear weapons are off the table. You do want to use cardboard, any type of paper, and any type of tape or glue or other adhesive to hold your boat together. Waterproofing can include butcher paper or optionally, but it's kind of cheating, saran wrap. Now, tools you'll want to use: an X-Acto knife is always a must for cutting the cardboard. Also, for a quicker, dirtier action, a good old saw will help you get the cardboard cut to the proper dimensions. The Sharpie is a good one. A word about tape. Duct tape is great for structure. However, if you try to waterproof with duct tape, your boat is going to cost about $100 because duct tape's expensive and not very waterproof. A better option for waterproof tape is going to be packing tape. Packing tape, you'll need to make sure that your seams are covered, but it's going to provide the waterproofness and the strength you'll need. Once you've decided how to make your boat, then just begin construction. We're going at it with the saw.
Why don't you help him hold it on that side?
What's that?
Help him hold it on that side. There you go. Just so it's just you two guys in the shot.
Oh,
you know?
sure. Well, we've built our boat. The final step now is to give it a good name. Casey, why don't we name our boat Junice? Now, to put the boat in the water. Remember, safety first.
Thank you.
We need the triumphal entry. Shoulder hoisting is a must.
Oh, yes it is.
And she floats. Remember, to qualify for the boat regatta, your boat needs to be able to fit at least 2 people. Casey? Jump on in, baby.
Need to get deeper. Oh, shoot.
Boy, I wish we had some paddles. That's this edition of This Old Boat. Cardboard boats in 5 minutes. Well, we've done a fine job with this boat. We've won the race. We're now going to give Junice our final send-off. Farewell, Junice. Do you guys want to get it for us? Sure. Thanks so much.